Hi, welcome to this new tutorial on Excel shortcut keys. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on Smart Art again. The text modifications in Smart Art will be discussed in this tutorial and different options and shortcuts related to modifications on text in Smart Art. Right? Suppose consider multiple rows. We have two rows here. By using arrows, we can move to the top. Top arrow, top side, down arrow, down side. Left arrow, right arrow. Now one character moves one character to the right and moves one character to the left. Control arrow left. Moves one word to the left. Control arrow. I'm here. By using control arrow, what is happening? Instead of one character, generally when I use left arrow, one character change. But when we use control combination, automatically I go forward or I go back by one word. This is the use of control left. In the same manner, control right arrow, one word to the right. In the same manner, even here, what I can do, control moves one paragraph up. Same. Now as we don't have paragraphs here, control up, control down. So it moves one paragraph at a time. Control arrow up moves one paragraph up. Control arrow down moves one paragraph down. Okay. Next, home and end. End will take the cursor to last character of line. Home will bring the cursor to first character of line. These are the shortcuts we have in this tutorial. Okay.